Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, actually this strategy can be used in any volatility index market. Alright, this is an all-weather strategy. You can use it anywhere you want. Okay, now I'm going to make the explanation of this strategy very simple as possible. Okay, explaining it as simple as I can. So all I want you to do now is to make sure you stick to the video to the very end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this strategy. All right, actually this is a price action strategy. All right, with this strategy you don't need any indicator settings. Okay, so just listen and listen attentively. All right, now in order to make use of this strategy, okay, you need to mark the most recent structure of the market. All right, so from the chart right now you can see that this is the most recent structure the market made. You can see low high here and then this one right here. Okay, these are the most recent structure. You can see this one and this one. All right, now first after identifying this, okay, now the next thing you are to do is to mark those areas. All right, you mark the tip of those areas there. All right, let me use another tool so that you understand what I'm saying very well. All right, so now we mark the tip of this, the most recent structures. Okay, this one right here. Actually, this is a strategy any beginner can use. All right, if you're a beginner, you can also use this strategy because I'm going to be explaining it as simple as possible. Okay, now after marking out these structures, sorry about that, after marking out the structure, all right, now what you want is that what you want to see before taking entry is that you want to see that price came down here, reverse, break the structure, give it a faked out. All right, what price did here is that it faked the early buyers. Okay, you know, normally when price break the structure, it tends to reverse and then continue going up. Okay, well in this case this is a faked out. All right, this is the market trying to fake the early buyers. All right, so it went up as if it want to go up and then still came down. All right, so whenever you see that either price give a week out, all right, it wicked out like this, or it closed above that structure and then still came back and closed below that structure there. All right, you want to see something like that in the market before you take an entry based on this strategy. So let's go down to the 1 hour so I'll show you something. All right, so in this case this is what's happening here on the 4 hours time frame. Now you see market came, closed above the structure and then went up a little bit, now came down and then still closed below that structure. Right, so now once you see that closing, all right, once you see that, immediately you spot this candlestick closing. Okay, you wait for the candlestick that is breaking below it to close. All right, so immediately you see that candlestick close, all right, you are to aim for the most recent structure the market make. All right, it's either you aim for this one or you can set your TP a little bit below again. Okay, but first of all, this is going to be your first TP and then this is going to be the second TP area. All right, so this is how to go about this strategy. All right, so you make your analysis from the 4 hours time frame and then you are going to be taking your entries from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what's interesting about boom and crash is that it follows price action very well. Okay, it works very well with price action. Okay, so if you are using price action to trade boom and crash and you understand what you are doing, you're going to be making a lot of money. Okay, I'm not saying indicators don't also make money, but price action is the best. Okay, so with this simple thing now is that what you want to see in this strategy is that you want to see a structure being formed and then you mark it. Then now what you want to be doing is that you wait for price to make a faked out. Okay, whenever it fake the early buyers and still come back, that's when you'll be looking for your sell opportunity. Okay, you sell to the most recent structure the market make on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you don't need to be greedy with this strategy, because this is the kind of strategy that is allowing you to trade against the trend of the market. Okay, so that is how the strategy work. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So you can see here below now, whenever price break below this structure, you wait for it to come back in. Once it come back for retest and the retest it close above this, all right, you have to aim for the upside, right? That's how the strategy works. Okay, let me show you guys another example of how the strategy work. Now you can see here, let me use my tool. You can see this is the most recent structure the market made here. This is the most recent structure. It gave it a wick out. It closed above and then still came down again to close below that zone. And then you can see how wonderful that went. Okay, see how price now came down after that happened. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. And this is that example right here. You can see that went up, closed below it, and then you can see how good it went down. All right, now this is you following the market, like you are using the faked out opportunity to milk them. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Sometimes it's very hard to teach. I don't know how to teach. I don't just know why. Now you can see here again, this is another example. It gives it a wick out and then close back in. And that is something that happened here again also. You can see this. It went up, came down, closed down, close to that structure again, and then you can aim for this structure right here and you'll be in deep profit. Okay, this strategy works almost all the time. So far you meet up with the condition I've given, you are good to go. You can see came without, and then you can see how it continue going down. All right, so with this strategy you can even trade against spike, and you can use this strategy also to catch spike. Okay, you can trade both ways. You don't need to like care about what the market is doing. You just wait for your condition to be met, and then you can use it and milk the market. Now you can see it also happened here. Something that happened here, sorry about this, it happened here also. You can see that, and this is the most recent structure. And then when price came down close below it, you can see how it went down. You can see how it went up, faked out, come in, close in, and then you can see you aim for this structure and you will be good to go. Okay, so I think with this simple explanation I'm just giving you guys understand how the strategy work. Okay, so if you understand what I'm explaining since, then you can backtest the strategy for yourself, and this strategy work on all the volatility indices. Okay, you can use it on any indices you wish to use it on. It also work. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time. Please do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you share this strategy with your family and friends. Okay, also share this with your family and friends so that they also may get this strategy and use it to make money. Okay, so that is it, guys. See you guys in the next video. Silver out.